This is the homework 1, problem 3, the first question. The first question is to find the probability that data 0 is received. I think that it should be combined with two parts. The first part is to transmit the number 0. The final probability of receiving 0, but we also need to times the probability of sending 0, because we are not always sending 0. We sometimes sending 0, sometimes sending 1. So the first part is the probability of receiving 0 based on sending 0 times probability of sending 0, which is 0.7 times 0.6. The second part is just like the first part. Is the probability of receiving 0 based on transmitting the number 1. Also, we need to times the possibility of sending 1, which is 0.4. So the second part is the 0.2 times 0.4, which is 0.08. So we add them together, which is 0.42 plus 0.08 equals 0.5. This is the first question, the answer of the first question. The probability that data 0 is received is 50%. The second question is find the probability of error, which is the probability that 1 is received when 0 is transmitted, or 0 is received when 1 was transmitted. I think that it also combined with two parts. The first part is based on transmitting the number 1, the probability of receiving 0. But we need to times the probability of sending 1, because we are not always sending 1. We sometimes send 0. So the first part is 0.2 times 0.4. The second part is the probability when we are sending 0, but we finally receiving 1. So it is the probability of receiving 1 based on we sending 0, and times the probability of sending 0. So it becomes 0.3 times 0.6, and which is 0.18, and we add them together, which is 0.08 and 0.18, which is 0.4 with 0.26. That's the final answer. The probability of error is 26%.